Okay, this is Dino with Did It Better Software, and today we're going to show you how to upgrade Add2 Exchange. It's actually very simple to do. Um, only takes a matter of about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the system that you're on. I'm currently on an SBS 2011 box, and I have Add2 Exchange Enterprise Edition installed. Although it is the same procedure for the Standard Edition, and we're going to get started here. We're going to go through a couple different steps here. The first one is the most important one. You want to make sure that you are logged in as the Z Add2 Exchange account, or the account that you created for Add2 Exchange. Once you've ensured that you're logged into that account, you can go ahead and navigate to the library that you have already downloaded Add2 Exchange, the upgrade. If you haven't downloaded it, then you want to go to our website, www.diditbetter.com. You want to go to the download section, log in, and for upgrading you want to look for the A2E either standard or enterprise upgrade. It'll say in there upgrade. So currently, if you want to check the current version that you're on, you can always open up the console. Go ahead and let it load up first. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Okay, once it's loaded up, you want to go ahead and hit Help and About. And over here, I show that I'm running version 14.8.1247. And the version I have downloaded is 14.9.1290.437. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade to that version there. Alright, so we're going to close down the console, hitting File, Exit. We don't want to run a synchronization. We're going to click No. And we're going to make sure that the Add2 Exchange service is stopped. We don't want it running when we're trying to upgrade here. So Add2 Exchange service, I see here, status stopped, currently not running, so we can close that. And we're going to essentially go to the Add Remove programs and remove Add2 Exchange. So we're going to Control Panel, remove down to Programs and Features, and you'll see here Add2 Exchange, and we're going to uninstall. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. Okay, you see all the icons disappear there, and Add2 Exchange is now uninstalled. So we can close this, and we can go to the library here where we downloaded the upgrade. We're going to double click it, it'll self-unpacking. Okay, it's almost finished here. Alright, so we're going to click on the double click on the folder that put here, and you're going to see over here Add2 Exchange upgrade.msi. That's the one that we want. We're going to double click on that. Okay, this part's pretty much very simple, just like you did the install. You're just going to kind of go through here. I agree, next. Here's all your expiration dates here. Calendars, contacts, tasks, notes. Again, this is for the enterprise. Standard will look a little bit different, but still the same procedure. Okay, it's going to select the directory that it was currently installed in, so we're going to keep it in that directory. We can click Next, and Next. It's going to install. Okay, so when it gets finished installing, the last thing it's going to do is ask you for your password. This is for the Add2 Exchange account. I'm going to go ahead and type it in. Okay. Okay, Add to Exchange is now upgraded. We're going to close this. We can close that, and you can open up the console here. Okay, console has started up, and we are fully upgraded to the newest build. You can also check the build version again by going to Help and About, and you'll see here 14.9.1290. So we are fully upgraded. You can go File, Exit, and you can start the service. You can click Yes to start, click No not to. Completely up to you, whatever you want to do at this point. You can go in and create new relationships, new templates. For right now, we're going to click No. We're going to go into very quickly upgrading the Enterprise as well, Recovery Migration Manager. Again, same procedures for both Enterprise and Standard. No different. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing as we did with the upgrade for Add to Exchange. Essentially the same scenario here. We're going to go to Programs and Features. We're going to locate Recovery Migration Manager, which is right here. Uninstall. Yes. Okay, that's been uninstalled. We can close that, open up our library again. Remember to make sure you download the upgrade from RMM Enterprise. Okay, you'll see the RMM Enterprise.msi. Again, if you're running standard, you'll see RMM Standard instead. Okay, next, next, next. Now this will just go through the upgrade. You don't have to type in any password or anything like that. It's very quick. We're going to close that, and that has now been upgraded. And that pretty much concludes the upgrade for Add to Exchange and Recovery Migration Manager.